Hello student. In the last lecture we start our chapter number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. In this chapter we see first what is meant by aldehydes, classification of aldehydes. First is aliphatic aldehyde, second aromatic aldehyde. Then classification of ketones, aliphatic ketones further divided into simple or symmetrical ketone and mixed and unsymmetrical ketone. Second type is aromatic ketones. And last we see the classification of carboxylic acid. In the classification of carboxylic acid we see the first is aliphatic carboxylic acid and second is the aromatic carboxylic acid, and we see their examples. And after we see the uses of carboxylic acid. Today we start new point, that is nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. First we see the nomenclature of aldehydes. The IUPAC names of aliphatic aldehydes are derived from names of corresponding alkane by replacing the ending E with Al. Thus, an aldehyde is named as alkanal. We see the rules for trivial name or common name and IUPAC name. The first rule is select the longest continuous carbon chain containing CHO group. Second, the suffix dial is added to the appropriate alkane name when the compound contains two aldehyde groups. Third rule is the ending E from the names of alkane is written in such cases. Fourth rule is an aldehyde group is attached to a ring. The suffix carbaldehyde is added after the full name of cycloalkanes. Fifth rule is the numbering of the ring carbon atoms start from the carbon atom to which the aldehyde group is attached. Sixth rule is the IUPAC name of benzaldehyde is benzene carbaldehyde. The common name or trivial name of benzaldehyde is accepted by IUPAC. The aromatic aldehydes are hence named as substituted benzaldehyde. In the new syllabus, the common name is replaced as a trivial name. Common name and trivial name are same. We see the examples of trivial name of and IUPAC name of aldehydes. First example is propanaldehyde. The IUPAC name is propanal. Second is isobutanaldehyde. IUPAC name is 2-methyl propanal. And in case of substituted aldehydes, the position of substituent is indicated by labeling the carbon serially as alpha, beta. In IUPAC name, we replace E with Al, hence the propanaldehyde is named as a propanal and isobutanaldehyde is named as 2-methyl propanal. And the carbon atom from adjacent to carbonyl carbon is labeled as alpha, and next one is beta and next one is gamma. Hence we read as a beta bromo alpha methyl butanaldehyde, and IUPAC name is 3 bromo 2 methyl butanal. We see another example which is related to aromatic ring. When an aldehyde group is attached to a ring, the suffix carbaldehyde is added after the full name of cycloalkanes. Hence, the trivial name of benzaldehyde we written IUPAC name as benzene carbaldehyde, and the cyclohexane aldehyde we written in IUPAC name is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. The aldehyde is written as a end of the name. Next point is the nomenclature of ketones. In case of substituted aliphatic ketones, the position of substituent is indicated by labeling the carbon serially as alpha, beta, gamma, and so on. The carbon atom adjacent to carbonyl carbon is labeled as alpha, and next one is beta, and so on. Names of aromatic ketones are based on a phenol. The IUPAC names of aliphatic ketones are derived from the name of the corresponding alkane by replacing ending E of alkane with ONE. They are named as alkanone. The longest chain of carbon atom containing the ketonic carbonyl group is numbered from the end closer to the carbonyl carbon. Hence, alkane is replaced as alkanone. When two carbonyl groups are present, the ending E of alkane is retained and the suffix dione is added to the name of the parent ketone, indicating the locus of ketonic carbonyl group. In case of cyclic ketones, the carbonyl carbon is number 1. In certain polyfunctional compound, the presence of an aldehyde group is indicated by the prefix formyl and a keto group by oxo with a number to show its position in the molecule. We take an example of trivial and IUPAC names of some ketones. Acetone is written in trivial name as a dimethyl ketone, and in IUPAC name it is written as propanone. The end E is replacing with ONE. Second example is ethyl methane ketone. The IUPAC name is butanone. Also, diethyl ketone is replaced as pentan 3 ONE, and alpha bromo ethyl N propyl ketone, the trivial name, and the IUPAC name is 2 bromo hexane 3 ONE. Diphenyl ketone is written in IUPAC name as a benzophenone. Methyl phenyl ketone or acetophenone is written as a IUPAC name is acetophenone. The next point is the nomenclature of carboxylic acid. The common name of some carboxylic acid is derived from the sources from which they were first isolated. In branch carboxylic acid, the position of substituents are indicated by Greek numerals. The carbon atom adjacent to COOH group is designated as alpha, next to it as beta, and so on. Rules for naming IUPAC nomenclature is: first rule is, in IUPAC system, longest continuous carbon atom chain containing COOH group is selected. The carbon atom of carbonyl group is always number 1. Second rule is, the name of carboxylic acid is derived from the name of parent alkane by replacing E with OIC acid. Third rule is, the position of other group is indicated by proper number. For naming compounds containing more than one carboxyl group, the ending E of parent alkane is written. Fourth rule is, the number of carboxyl groups is indicated by the prefix di, tri, etc. to the term OIC. Fifth rule is, the position of carboxyl groups are indicated by Arabic numerals before the prefixes. The aromatic carboxylic acids are generally named as derivatives of parent benzoic acid. We take examples of trivial and IUPAC names of carboxylic acids. First is the formic acid, which is write in IUPAC name as a methanoic acid. The ending E is replaced by OIC. Second example is acetic acid, is written as IUPAC name as a ethanoic acid. Third example is propanoic acid, is named as a propanoic acid. Fourth is a N-butyric acid, is in IUPAC name as a butanoic acid. Fifth one is a isobutyric acid, which also known as alpha methyl propanoic acid, as a 2-methyl propanoic acid. We take examples for aromatic rings. First is benzoic acid, which is also known as benzene carboxylic acid, in IUPAC name as a benzoic acid. Toluic acid is write as a 2-methyl benzoic acid. The trivial name of salicylic acid is in we written IUPAC name as a 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Here E is replaced as a OIC. Phthalic acid we written in IUPAC name as a benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. And the last example, that is cyclohexyl carboxylic acid, we written in IUPAC name as a cyclohexane carboxylic acid. These are the some examples of trivial and IUPAC names of carboxylic acid. In this we take a points, that is nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, and some compounds, for example as a trivial and IUPAC names.